Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line door hanger. I'm going to go in first and base coat my monkey's face, feet, and the base of the sign in the color putty, and I'm just using a number 12 flat for this. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Pine Cone, and I'm going to use that to paint my monkey. Now I'm going in with the color Chocolate for my tree stem. And then I'm going to go in with kudzu for all of my leaves. Now I'm going in with a little bit of color Soft Pink for my monkey's nose and ears. Now I'm just going to let everything dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And if you wanted to swap over for paint, you absolutely could. I'd recommend like a number 4 round and probably just like some apple barrel acrylic paint, just because the acrylic paint is going to go on a little bit smoother, and that helps whenever you're outlining. But however, to me, the Sharpie marker is definitely the easiest option. Now I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything. I love this step to soften and brighten everything up. And now I'm just going to go in and outline my little stats board here. And I'm also going to use this Sharpie marker to fill in the date, time, weight, and length. And then once that's done, I will highlight everything on here as well, just like I did on the monkey. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get some inspiration, and have a wonderful day.